Hey, hi folks. Today I have found one of the tool called NinjaChat, which will not just help you to create a number of images, videos, and music in just one place, but will also help you to explore a number of the model in just one place and with just one subscription. So let's deep dive into it. Hey, hi folks. So today we will be testing this new NinjaChat AI tool, which like they have created a separate section to create an image, to create a music, and to create a video, and also have created, to create mind maps and the flashcards for the education. So let's just try it out, like how this whole thing will be working. So and also not just one of the best thing which I have liked about this tool is you can just go ahead and play around with your all your favorite AI tool. So in this case, let's just go ahead with let's since we already have a ChatGPT 4.0, so let's just use some other Claude Sonnet, and then let's use Gemini 2.0, and over here let's use Llama, and let's just ask. Okay, so let's create an the prompt to create an image where we will say, let's assume Mumbai city in the lizard. Let's see how all four model response. So a request has been sent to all the models, and then ChatGPT have given this, and Claude have given this in very detail, and even the Gemini have given the best, including everything tips to follow, and then style and artistic impressions. And Llama have also given one of the best, the response. So let's use the same prompt to create an image over here. And even in the image section, you can choose whatever the model you want to you want to create an image. You can use. So this is the one of the best thing, with the tool, with this tool, you can use any one of the model available on the internet. Of course, that integration needs to be there with the Ninja Chat. But let's say in this case, let's use the stable diffusion 3. You can choose the color, size, styles, and you can also give the the advanced version of however you want it. So this is the image which we have created using the stable diffusion, and let's use the same prompt by the Google's Imagine 4. Let's see how it responds. See, this is what it did. And now coming back to, I have also created few of the prompts which I'm looking to test with this tool. Let's use Flux. Oh, see, but this tool is little bit different. But yeah, I think where we are saying a futuristic view of Mumbai with glowing skyscraper rising above the Arabian Sea, flying cars. Okay, I think it missed the flying cars. Okay, so I think it have given a little bit of the shadow, but I think it's working perfectly fine. Yeah, this is the interesting thing. Yeah, with this image section tool, you can select the whatever the model you want. So I think this is perfectly fine. Now let's get back and test the music section. And for the music, I have also created the prompts. So let's just use that. Let's use just for, let's see how it work. And you can also use Meta's own the model. Let's hear it out. Oh, this is good. Interesting. I think this is a good, the tool to create and use whatever the model you want. If you want to buy a separate model of this, if you want to buy, the subscription for this model on their own platform, so it will cost you around, the 20 to $25. But with this platform and affordable at the same time, so yeah, you can use, explore, and you can use and explore, the whatever the creativity you want. So I think this is perfectly fine. Let's use now the video prompt. So for the video, again, over here we have been given to use three, the model, but we will not be using VO2 or 3. Of course, that is also one of the best model available on the internet as of now, but let's use just Kling. Let's see how it goes now. So approximately for the Kling, it will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to generate. So just let's just wait. So meanwhile, let's talk about, like, the tool. So if we talk about the tool, let's talk about the pricing, what we have. So yeah, if you are in India, so the cost will, for per month, it will be 756. But if you will use the coupon given in the description by me, so you will get 25% more discount on it. So that is, I think, pretty much good deal in this and pricing, where you will get to explore all the models for the to generate a image, to generate a video, to generate a music, and to do the conversation part. Well, I think this is a pretty much good deal, where you will get to experience all the model in just one place. Not just this, but also, since it's taking it's time to create a video, so let's just wait for this, and also let's deep dive into the mind map. Let's see, what, so let's just upload one of the PDF what we have from here. Let's just use this, and let's just ask to generate a mind map. Let's see what it will do. So yeah, it's doing its work. Oh my god. See, I think it did pretty much decent job. Not decent actually. I did one of the best jobs. See the mind map, the client registration document. Of course, that was a pretty much policy document. But yeah, I think based on that, it created one of the best, the mind maps which I can see over here, and have also you also have a flexibility to edit the topics however you want it. So yeah, I think this is the wonderful, man. Let's see the same thing with the flashcard. Let's see what it will do. So let's just use the same. Let's use this pitch deck. Let's click on generate flashcard. Let's see what it will do. Okay, so it's created the card, highlighted the answer, and have also given the explanation. What is the harvest core business model? Okay, this is interesting. See, this is interesting, man. No, it did a pretty good job. So let's, and not just that, you can also upload the PDF over here and can chat. Okay, so let's say if you have the numbers of documents to read, so what you can do, you can just upload the PDF and ask for the summary. You can upload the PDF and ask for the the questions related to, if you have anything in over here, instead of searching and doing a lot of uh, or reading a lot of things. You can just upload over here and then ask a question related to it, or you can just ask and ask for the summary. So I think this is also one of the best things which they have developed. Okay, let's get back to the video. Let's check how it is. Okay, so I think we cannot check the history over here. So let's get back to the library, and let's check the video in section. Let's check in the video section. Let's check the video. So this is what the prompt which we have given. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think this is the best, the tool to use everything in just one place. So yeah, that's all for today. So try it out, the free version, then go for the paid. And if you can use my coupon code available in the description to get the 25% more discount on it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.